तस्मै श्रीगुरुवे
ऐङ्कार ह्रीङ्कार रहस्ययुक्तां ह्रीङ्कार गुणात् महाविभूत्याम् ओङ्कार मर्मा प्रतिपादिनेभ्यां नमो नमः श्रीगुरुपादुकाभ्यां नमो नमः। గురువులందరికీ ఉపాధ్యాయ దినోత్సవ శుభాకాంక్షలు.
गुरुर्ब्रह्मा गुरुर्विष्णु गुरुर्देवो महेश्वर गुरुः साक्षात् परब्रह्म तस्मै श्री गुरवे नमः.
Respected teachers, my name is Sahana Gupta and I study in 5th Jasmine. I hope you all are fine and safe in this pandemic. Don't you think you have heard this line before? Whenever our teachers prepare an online video or take an online class, they first say this. Why? Because they care for our future, education and our health. In this pandemic, the work or the role of our teachers has become even more difficult than ever. Now they have to prepare online classes or online videos as we cannot go to school as there is a chance of corona.
Good morning to all the teachers and my dear friends. My name is Niyati and
studying in 5th class, standard section Jasmine. The light of the world, the beacon in the dark, and hope that gives us strength to survive with our teacher. Today we celebrate Teachers' Day, a day kept aside to honor the gifted souls who work every day to make sure that the future is bright for all of us. On this beautiful occasion, let us take the opportunity to convey our all wishes to our dear teachers who have given an impeccable contribution in shaping us. Every year, 5th of September, we celebrate Teachers' Day.
నా పేరు సుగల్, నేను 5వ తరగతి చదువుతున్నాను. అందరికీ ఉపాధ్యాయ దినోత్సవ శుభాకాంక్షలు. ఎంతో ప్రత్యేకమైన ఈ ఉపాధ్యాయ దినోత్సవం సెప్టెంబర్ 5వ తేదీన జరుపుకోవడానికి గల కారణం డాక్టర్ సర్వేపల్లి రాధాకృష్ణన్ గారి పుట్టినరోజు. పేద కుటుంబంలో జన్మించి ఎన్నో సమస్యలను ఎదుర్కొని తనకిష్టమైన ఉపాధ్యాయ వృత్తిని ఎంచుకున్నారు. సాధారణ ఉపాధ్యాయునిగా ఉంటూ తర్వాత తన స్వయం శక్తితో భారతదేశానికి తొలి ఉపరాష్ట్రపతిగా సేవలు అందించారు. ఎంత ఎత్తుకు ఎదిగినా ఒదిగి ఉండటం, క్రమశిక్షణతో నిజాయితీగా సేవలు అందించేవారు. మన తల్లిదండ్రుల తర్వాత మనకు దేవుళ్ళంటి వారు ఉపాధ్యాయులు. ప్రతి విద్యార్థి ఉపాధ్యాయుని స్ఫూర్తిగా తీసుకొని క్రమశిక్షణతో ఉన్నతముగా ఎదగాలి.
Good morning to all my loving teachers and Namaste teachers. Happy Teachers Day to all my loving teachers. Today I am going to speak about Teachers Day. The light of the world, the beacon in the dark, and the hope that gives us strength to survive is our teacher. Today we celebrate Teachers' Day, a day kept aside to honor the gifted souls who work every day to make sure that the future is bright for all of us. Let us welcome all the teachers with a big round of applause. On this beautiful occasion, let us take the opportunity to convey our wishes to all our teachers who have given flawless contribution in shaping us. Every year, the 5th of September is celebrated as Teachers' Day in India, celebrating the birth anniversary of Dr. Sarvepalli Radhakrishnan. As a teacher, Vice President and second President of India, Dr. Radhakrishnan made an immense contribution to the country. I am going to show a greeting card about Teachers' Day to all my loving teachers.
Good morning, teacher. My name is Vaishnavi and happy Teachers' Day to all my lovely teachers. Why do we celebrate Teachers' Day? We celebrate Teachers' Day to show gratitude and respect to our teachers. It is an annual celebration on 5th September, the birth anniversary of Dr. Sarvepalli Radhakrishnan. India is celebrating Teachers' Day on 5th September since 1962. On the occasion, people decorate the statues of Dr. Radhakrishnan and other notable scholars. Teachers get a day off from routine work. Students from all over India celebrate the day with great enthusiasm. Students honor their teachers and hand gifts them as a token of respect. Thank you so much all my teachers for loving, for supporting and for taking care. Thank you.
Namaste. Good morning, everyone. Respected teachers and all my dear friends. Wish you a very happy Teachers' Day to all my dear teachers. Today I am going to give a speech on Teachers' Day. Before the speech, I will tell a sloka. Guru Brahma, Guru Vishnu, Guru Devo Maheshwara, Guru Sakshat Parabrahma, Tasmai Sri Guruve Namaha. Now let's get into the speech. 5th September, it is a remarkable day, an important day in the Indian history of education. We pay hardly respect to our beloved teachers. We know that mother gives us birth, but do you know teacher gives us life? A great teacher.
A teacher is a friend, philosopher, and a guide who instills confidence in young minds, gives them direction, and encourages them to dream. A very good morning, respected Principal Madam, teachers, and my dear friends. I'm Snigdha Naveen from 5th Lotus. First of all, I would like to wish a very happy Teachers' Day to all my lovely teachers. Happy Teachers' Day, teachers! On this beautiful occasion, let us take this opportunity to convey our wishes to all our teachers who have given impeccable contribution in shaping us. We celebrate Teachers' Day on 5th September every year as it is marked by the birth anniversary of Dr. Sarvepalli Radhakrishnan, and the Teachers' Day is celebrated in commemoration of his birthday. Teachers are greater than parents. Our parents gave birth to us, whereas our teachers mold our personality and provide a bright future. Apart from academics, teachers stand by us at every step to guide, motivate, and inspire to become better people. Teachers are the source of knowledge and wisdom. Even in this pandemic time, teachers are working so hard by teaching. Teachers are working so hard by teaching us virtually. My pranams.
सुप्रभात, नमस्ते। मैं प्रियंका कुमारी कक्षा 5 सेक्शन रोज से आज एक कविता प्रस्तुत करने जा रही हूँ। सबसे पहले सभी शिक्षकों को शिक्षक दिवस की हार्दिक शुभकामनाएं। मेरी ये कविता सभी शिक्षकों के लिए श्रद्धा सुमन। आप देते हो हमको शिक्षा फिर।
गुरु ब्रह्मा गुरु विष्णु गुरुदेवो महेश्वरः गुरु साक्षात् परब्रह्म तस्मै श्री गुरवे नमः. Good morning to all. My name is Nikhil Murari and I am from 5th Rose. Happy Teachers' Day to teachers all around the globe. As you might be aware, Dr. Sarvepalli Radhakrishnan's birthday, who was an Indian philosopher, is celebrated as Teachers' Day. Teachers have 3 loves: the love of learning, the love of learners, and the love of mixing the first 2 loves. Teachers bring light or daylight into a child's life. Knowledge and education is the passport for the future.
the COVID time. So today I'll be presenting a small dance dedicated to all my respected teachers.
Good morning everyone. My name is Uvika. Today I am going to sing a song because you all know that today is Teachers' Day. So let's all wish our gorgeous teachers a very happy Teachers' Day. Guru Brahma, Guru Vishnu, Gurudevo Maheshwara, Gurudevo Maheshwara. ఓనమాలు నేర్పించి అక్షరాలు దిద్దించి ఓర్పు సహనంతో గెలుపు దారి చూపించి ఓనమాలు నేర్పించి అక్షరాలు దిద్దించి ఓర్పు సహనంతో గెలుపు దారి చూపించి మా వెన్ను తట్టి నడిపించి దైవాలే మీరు అందుకోండి వందనాలు.
ఇవే వందనాలు గురువర్యులకు, అభినందన చందనాలు మేధావులకు. ఇవే వందనాలు గురువర్యులకు, అభినందన చందనాలు మేధావులకు. మీరే సర్వస్వం, మీరే మా దైవం, మీరే మా సర్వం, మీరే మా దైవం. దీవెనలందించి మాకు విద్యను బోధించుమా. ఇవే వందనాలు గురువర్యులకు, అభినందన చందనాలు మేధావులకు. జ్ఞానం మీ నుదుట వెలిగే మూడవ నేత్రం, అక్షయముగా అక్షరాలు వర్షించే దేవుళ్ళై. అక్షరాల విత్తనాలు అవనిలోన వేశారు, అక్షరాల విత్తనాలు అవనిలోన వేశారు. చిన్నారుల మనసుల్లో దేవుళ్ళై నిలిచారు, దేవుళ్ళై నిలిచారు. ఇవే వందనాలు గురువర్యులకు, మా మేధావులకు. అజ్ఞానపు చీకటిలో వెలుగులు నింపేది మీరే. మహామేధావులు మా కాడనే చదివారని. డాక్టర్లు ఇంజనీర్లు కలెక్టర్లు అవుతారని, డాక్టర్లు ఇంజనీర్లు కలెక్టర్లు అవుతారని. నిలువున ఉప్పొంగే నిస్వార్థపు గురువులార, నిస్వార్థపు గురువులార. ఇవే వందనాలు గురువర్యులకు, మా మేధావులకు. ఇవే వందనాలు గురువర్యులకు, అభినందన చందనాలు మేధావులకు. ఇవే వందనాలు గురువర్యులకు.
Good morning children. How are you? Are you safe at home? My name is Shraddha. I am your new science teacher. Today we are going to learn about a new lesson. Before that, I want to ask you a question. Where do you live, children? Yes, you live in a house. So today we are going to learn about types of houses. Take out page number. Wait, I'll tell you the page number. Page number 30. Do you see this? Types of houses. Today I am going to tell you this new lesson. So first, houses are made up of different materials. For example, mud, palm leaf, bricks and etc. And houses for different environments. Today I am going to tell you about houses for different environments. Houses for hot conditions have strong and thick walls with flat roofs to let in fresh air. Okay? Now houses for rainy conditions. Houses for rainy conditions are stilt houses. They do not allow water to come in. They avoid the flood. Now the last one is houses for cold conditions. For cold conditions, the houses have slanting roofs to avoid snow. They avoid the snow and let them down. Now we are going to learn about features for a good house. Features for a good house have strong and well-plastered walls, doors and windows to let in air and sunlight, netting to avoid insects and moths, and rodding for safety. So now children will write the notes. Write down the notes. First bit, new words. First one, netting, Netting, netting. Second one, grills, Grills, grills. Third one, drainage, Drinage, drainage. Fourth one, features, Features, features. Now copy question and answers, children. Write names of different types of houses. The names of different types of houses are log house, mud house, etc. Now I am going to give you second question and answers. I will explain you second question. What is mud house made of? Mud house is made up of mud and water. Now your favorite, draw a house and color it. See, I don't know drawing much, so you draw however you want. Okay, bye bye children. See you in the next session.